So yesterday we have discussed that components of poset. So poset in the sense that is the partial ordered set. Here poset means this is what the partial ordered set. So this is what yesterday we have discussed. What is the poset? So here this poset satisfies three properties. So one is the reflexive property, antisymmetric property, and transitive property. Okay. Then, so after completion of this, that means partial order set and discuss చేసాం. The reflexive property satisfy చేయాలి, and it also satisfies the antisymmetric property. Here x equal to y. So coming to the transitive property, x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R. Therefore, x comma z belongs to R. So this is what yesterday we have discussed along with examples as well as components. Here poset components discuss some components of poset. So this poset is represented by using some diagram that is called as Hasse diagram. So how the Hasse diagram is developed, that is by using first, based on the relation, you draw the diagram first, and after that remove the self loops, then remove the transitive property, and just use the upward diagram. After that remove all arrow heads. So this is what the Hasse diagram. Okay, coming to the components. Here this Hasse diagram components are the terminology of Hasse diagram and the components of poset. So here yesterday we have discussed about the maximum, and then next we have discussed about the minimum element and greatest element, next least element. So these are yesterday we are discussed. So now we are going to discuss about other four components. Those are upper bound and lower bound, upper bound, lower bound, the next greatest lower bound, and least upper bound. So these four concepts are discussed in this class, and then next we will discuss one more concept, that is the lattice. What is a lattice? Okay. So first we have discussed about upper bound. What is the upper bound? Upper bound. So coming to this upper bound, here element. So a element A is upper bound of A if and only if for all B belongs to A, where B less than or equal to A. That means, so suppose A is some set of elements, A is some set of elements, and this upper bound consider like this: A is some set of elements and B is some subset of this A. That is, B is subset of this A. Now consider here B relates to A and compare it based on the given relation. Okay, here A is the main set and B is the subset, and compare this relation. That means Cartesian product from, that means relation is from B to A. Compare it. Okay, based on certain relation. So whatever the relation is given, a relation paina check cheyandi. That means here అలా చెక్ చేసినప్పుడు సపోజ్ A is upper bound is nothing but so whatever the element, so that element B belongs to B. Okay, this is a subset of B, and here A belongs to A. Here B is a subset and A is the main set. Here B, every element in B less than or equal to A. So in this way, we are called this A as upper bound. Now see here one example for this upper bound. So upper bound ke example chudandi. So here in the last class, here one diagram is like this. That is A relates to B, and here C, and this is D, and here G, here E, and the next F, and this is F. The next G and F both are H, and F is J. F is J. So this is some diagram. Okay, A to B, and C, as well as B to D, E, and from B, G, and F, from E, F, from G, H, from F, H, and J. Okay, here suppose first you can observe the maximum elements. What are the maximum elements? So coming to this maximum elements, so now maximum elements mean what? Shit. Maximum element means what? And top element. Otherwise, inka daniki there is no up element. That is H and J. So coming to the minimum, there is a bottom element in Hasse diagram. So minimum element is what? That is minimum one. Here there is no lower element. That means there is no downward. There is no downward arrow. So there is no upward arrows. So that means top elements in Hasse diagram are the maximum elements, and bottom element in Hasse diagram there is a minimum element. Here the minimum element is A. Now coming to the greatest element. So greatest element means what? And this is the unique element. That means only one element, one element is there, then we can call it as a greatest element. That means maximum number of maximum elements are there. There is no greatest element. So no element is found. No element is found. And what is the least element? Here minimum is the least element. That means if the minimum contains only one element, that is the least element. If maximum contains only one element, that's the greatest element. Here A. So this is what we have discussed yesterday class. Now we are going to discuss about what is the upper bound. Upper bound is what? Come on to the upper bound. Here first take A. So write main set. That means all elements in Hasse diagram. This A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J. The next B is some subset. Here the subset is I am taking A, B, C. So this is what as our wish only, as our wish. That means suppose you can find out the upper bound for these B and C. So just you can find out the upper bound for B and C. Suppose you can find out the upper bound for A, just you can take only subset contains only one element. So if you find the upper bound for BC, just you can take only one B and C. Suppose if you find the upper bound for BDE, just in that case, just you can take this BDE. So here I am taking only ABC. And what is the upper bound? So now for finding the upper bound, so first here the relation is like this, B to A. B to A. So in this case, you can write here A relates to A, isn't it? A relates to A. Now A relates to, that means all the elements in subset B are find the relation with A or not. Okay, A to A, that is self loop is there, that's why. But here we are not specify the self loop, but self loop is present here. A to A and A to B. Yes, A to B is there. Now A relates to B. Now A relates to C. Now A relates to E. This is the transitive property. A relates to E. Next A relates to F. That means A to C, C to E, automatically A to F. Now one more is A relates to, what is this? Here next is Z. So there is no, sorry, A relates to Z also. A to B, B to D and Z. So that Z is also. Now, next one is A relates to H, S. Next, A relates to J. A relates to J. Now, next write the relations, that means with B. Okay. Here, B relates to A, that is not. There is no downward. Only, you can take upward only, but not downward. So that this is not. And B relates to B. Next, B, C, there is no relation. And B relates to D, I am not writing here. So right here A, D as well as A relates to E. Okay, B relates to D. Okay, next B relates to E. Next B relates to F. Next B relates to G. Next B relates to H. Next B relates to J. Now write with C. C not and C not and C relates to C. C, here there is no relation from C to D. Next C to E. Next C to E is there. Next C to F is also there. C to F. Then next Z. There is no relation with Z. Okay, that is not. Next C relates with H. C relates with H. C, E, F, H. And C relates with J. Okay. Now, yes, here C relates to Z also. Okay. Because C to E, E to F, F to H, H to G. Okay. Now, so first you consider this column. That means here you are not considered because A relates to A but not B relates to A, C relates to A. So here this is also you are not considered. This is also you are not considered. Now this is also not. And with E, A relates to E, B relates to E, this one. And F and G. Next H. Next J. That means upper bounds. Upper bounds of A, B, C. A, B, C की A, B, C की upper bound D, E, the upper bound same होते हैं మనకి ఇక్కడ, that is E. That means this is one and this one. ఓకే, అంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా కూడా మీరు రాయొచ్చు, బట్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేకుండా ఇలా స్టెప్ తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, సో మనకి మిస్ అనేది అవ్వదు. సో హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ B to D is there, C to D is not there. So that's why, oh sorry, direct relation is not there. So that's why this is also because ఇది రాంగ్ అమ్మా. ఎందుకు అంటే దిస్ ఈస్ ద డౌన్వర్డ్ అవుతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ C to E, E to F, F to H and H to G. This is the downward. That's why this is not. Okay, close this one. Now అంటే ఎక్కడైనా మనకి ఓన్లీ అప్వర్డ్ మాత్రమే ఉండాలి, డౌన్వర్డ్ అనేది ఉండకూడదు. సో దట్స్ వై రిమూవ్ దిస్ వన్. సో దట్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్ ఆఫ్ ఏబిసి, దట్ మీన్స్ ఫర్ దిస్ డి బట్ సికి లేదు, అండ్ ఈ బోత్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ, అండ్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఎఫ్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ బి అండ్ సి, ఫర్ హెచ్ ఫ్రమ్ బి అండ్ సి, ఫర్ జే ఫ్రమ్ బి అండ్ సి. సో దట్స్ వై ఇక్కడ కూడా మీకు ఏమవుతుంది, సో అన్నిటికీ రిలేషన్ ఉన్నాయి మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటాము. సో ఆల్ త్రీ రిలేట్స్ ఎక్కడున్నాయి, విత్ ఈ, విత్ ఎఫ్, విత్ హెచ్ అండ్ విత్ జే. సో దట్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్స్ ఫర్ దిస్, అప్పర్ బౌండ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఏబిసి ఆర్ ఈ, ఎఫ్, హెచ్, జే. E, F, H, J. So from these upper bounds, you can find out the uh, least. That means from this upper bound, you can find out the LUB. LUB nothing but least upper bound. Least upper bound. What is the least upper bound here? What is the least upper bound here? That is least upper bound nothing but which is closest, very closest to ABC. That means from these upper bounds, you can find out least upper bound. So here 4 upper bounds are there for this ABC. So from these 4, you can find out only one, that is the least upper bound. How you can find out that least upper bound? Which is close to ABC. ABC ki edaithe close untundo, that is what the least upper bound. Here for A, for B, E is closed. For C is also E is closed. For A is also, compared to this F, E is closed. So that's why least upper bound from these 4 elements for this ABC, that is what? That is what? Only E. So this is what the least upper bound. Okay, this is what about maximum, minimum, greatest, least, upper bound. Then next, least LUB. That is the least upper bound. And one more is, that is a that is what? Lower bounds. How you can find out lower bounds? Okay, so this is the diagram. Now here A equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, and B equal to, I can assume here ABC. So for this ABC, upper bound find out chesamu. What is the upper bound for this ABC? That is E, F, H, J. And LUB is what and that is E only. And now we can find out the lower bounds. So how we can find out the lower bounds? Lower bounds ela find out chesam chudandi. So for finding the lower bounds, so here the definition for the lower bound, A is the element. Here lower bound definition is, here a element B, A is lower bound of A. A is lower bound of A if and only if A belongs to B for all B of A, for all B of A where A less than or equal to B. A less than or equal to B. Okay. What is that? That means A, in the previous case B less than or equal to A. Here A is less than or equal to B. Now see here, for this relation is like this, A to B only. In the previous case, in the upper bound we are using the relation is B to A. Okay. So for this, first A to A relates A. Next A relates with B. Okay, A relates with B and A relates with C. Next one is what? That is B. B relates, not relates. There is no downward, only upward. B relates B and B does not relates C. And next is C. C relates, no. C relates B, no. C relates, sorry, C relates C. Now remaining element E. E not relates to A and E not relates to B E not relates to C. So like that F is, and D also. D not relates to A, D not relates to B, and D not relates to C. Why? Because there is no downward. And the downward relation చెప్పట్లేదు, మనం ఓన్లీ హ్యాసే డయాగ్రామ్ లో అప్వర్డ్ తీసుకుంటున్నాము. ఓకే, F not relates to A, F not relates to B, F not relates to C. Okay, F, then next is F, G. G not relates to A, G not relates to B, G not relates to C. Then next H not relates to A, H not relates to B, and H not relates to C. And J also. This is also not relates. B as well as C. So ఇక్కడ మనకి ఓన్లీ ఒక్కటి మాత్రమే ఇంతకుముందు అప్పర్ బౌండ్ అప్పుడు కాలం వైజ్ చెక్ చేసాం. ఫర్ ద లోవర్ బౌండ్ we can check only row wise. So for this only. So in this case, what is this? A. A is only A. Here, అంటే ఇక్కడ A చూడండి, A less than equal to B. So in this case, B less than equal to కాబట్టి మనం కాలం వైజ్ A ఎక్కడైతే అంటే రిలేట్స్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో అది తీసుకున్నాం. బట్ ఇక్కడ A less than equal to B. That means all the cases A less than equal to B అన్నారు. So then next this is only satisfied. Now the lower bound equal to what అండి? Lower bound equal to what? A only one element. So lower bound equal to only one element and greatest lower bound. So ఇక్కడ only one element ఉంది కాబట్టి that is only greatest lower bound. Suppose if it contains more than one, so then we can find out which is closer to this ABC. So that is what the greatest lower bond అవుతుంది. So this is a upper bond and lower bond, LUB and GUB. So now you can see one more example for this upper bond and lower bond. That example is here. Suppose the diagram is like this, A to B and B to C, C to D, next D to E, next F. So this is some Hasse diagram. First you can find out the what is the maximum element for this. Tell me what is the maximum for this? చెప్పండి, what is the maximum for this? దీంట్లో నుండి maximum element ఏంటండి? హలో, ఎయిట్ మెంబర్స్ 7 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఎవ్వరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. హలో,
హలో మ్యామ్.
చెప్పండి, మాక్సిమం, మినిమం, గ్రేటెస్ట్, లీస్ట్. సురేష్ చెప్పు, మాక్సిమం ఎలిమెంట్ ఏంటి? మీ కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమవుతుందా, అర్థం కావట్లేదా?
Ma'am, D is greatest, ma'am.
D is greatest. Next, minimum. Minimum elements. ఒకటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, హ్యాసే డయాగ్రామ్ లో టాప్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ద మ్యాక్సిమం. Suppose sometimes maximum are more. Means in the previous case, H and J. So there is no upward direction. So ఇక్కడ upward arrow అనేది upward edge లేదు. So upward edge లేకపోతే that is the maximum. There is no downwards, that those are the minimum. So here A and F, that దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని we are saying that Hasse diagram, in Hasse diagram maximum is the top element, minimum is the bottom elements. So sometimes these are more than one, sometimes these are only one. So if it is only one, that is the greatest అవుతుంది. అంటే maximum contains only one element, that is the greatest. So if the maximum minimum contains only one, so that is least. That means greatest and least are the unique elements. So these are, అంటే every element you can pick. So ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ ఎలా ఉండాలంటే రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ కంటే maximum ఉంది అనుకోండి, దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ ద లీస్ట్ అవుతుంది. Suppose you can pick any element, so which is maximum to all the elements, then we can call it as a greatest element. So greatest and least must be unique. So here greatest is what? D. So coming to the least, there is no least. There is no unique. Okay, there is no least because A, F both are least. But least must be. Both are minimum, but least must be unique. So that's why there is no least. And coming to the upper bound. So upper bounds ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం అంటే అప్పర్ బౌండ్స్ అనేటివి అన్నిటికీ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఆల్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఏఎఫ్, అదర్వైజ్ ఏబిఎఫ్, అదర్వైజ్ బిఈ, అదర్వైజ్ బిసి. So like that you can find out the upper bound for all combinations. Okay, now first I am finding for upper bound A. So here I am taking set of elements A, B, C, D, E, F. Now coming to the B, here in problem lo kuda manaki istadu. So find out the upper bounds for the given set of elements. Okay, so here I am assuming B, D. So for BD, upper bound is what? అందుకోసమే డెఫినేషన్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు కూడా అప్పర్ బౌండ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అనే చెప్తున్నాము. ఇక్కడ అప్పర్ బౌండ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అనేది సమ్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ బట్ ఇక్కడ ఇది జనరల్ గా చెప్తున్నాము. సో హియర్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్ ఆఫ్ B, D is what? Now here we are find out the upper bound for B, D. So for this upper bound of B, D, here first ఎలా find out చేస్తాం? B relates to A. No. So first one is B relates to A. No, B relates to B. Sorry, B relates to B. B relates to C. B relates to E. B relates to C. B relates to D. B relates to D. B not relates to F. Okay, and the next D. D not relates to A. D not relates to B. D not relates to C. So D relates to D. D not relates to E. D not relates to F. So here this is wrong. This is nothing. This is also not. This is only. So this is not. This is not. Here upper bound find out చేసినప్పుడు రిలేషన్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? B less than or equal to A. So that's why here A is nothing but these elements. Okay. Now we are taking only column wise. So in that case, this is and this one. Okay. Both of these two. Now upper bound of upper bound is nothing but upper bound ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి? Only A. Then what is the least upper bound? So here only one element is there. That this is only A. Sorry, D. Only D. Okay, upper bound is also D. So మీకు ఇలా చెక్ చేయొచ్చు, అదర్వైజ్ ఇలా కూడా డయాగ్రామ్ నుండి డైరెక్ట్ గా చెక్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఎలా చూడండి. So here B to C, C to D is there, and B to E, D to E is there. So both of these two upper bound is this one. Okay, for D there is no up, so only D relates D. So that both of the cases D is only upper bound. So So ikkada upper bonds vachesi only one element is there, so that is only LUB. That means enti okati, if the maximum element is only one, so maximum kanka only one e unte automatic ga upper bond one e untundi. So automatic ga LUB kuda same untundi. Ante if the maximum of this, so suppose A and F ki find out చేస్తున్నారు అనుకోండి. Suppose I am finding for upper bound for A and F. Okay, అప్పుడు ఎలా చేస్తారు? A to F కి A relates to A relates to B, A relates to C, A relates to D, A relates to E, A not relates to F. Okay, సో అప్పుడు F కి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. F కి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు? F not relates to A, F relates to B, F relates to C, F relates to D also, F relates to E also, F relates to F also. That means this is not. And so in this case, upper bond emouta vitiki B, E, B, C, B, C, D, F. So E two elements ki upper bond enti DCDF. Okay, ఇందులో least upper bond ఏంటి? This is the upper bond. Okay, upper bond for A and F. Okay, ఈ ఇందులో least element ఏంటి? Which is closer to this A and F. So which is closer to A and F? అంటే out of this B, C, D, E, F, 5 elements. From these 5, sorry, not F, only E. F is not there. Okay, F relates to ఇక్కడ A relates only E. Okay, from these 4, which is closer to this A and F, that is only LUB. So here B is very near to A as well as very near to F. From compared to this E, D, C, E. So that B is LUB. And for A and F, upper bonds are, these 4 are the upper bonds. From these 4 upper bonds, least upper bond is this one. Okay, so for this here B and D, for this B and D, what is the upper bond? D only. So and LUB is also D. For C and E, what is the upper bond? D. So automatically D only LUB. Okay, so this is for the upper bond. So then next is same diagram ki LUB find out cheyandi. Sorry, that is A, F, B, C, D, E, like this. Now find the lower bound. So here A equal to what? A, B, C, D, E, F, and B equal to B comma D. Now here A relates to B downward, and what is this? A relates to this A. Sorry, A to B, there is no, and A to D, A to D. So this is there. A to D means A, B, E, D. Upper direction is there. And oh, sorry, A to A relates B is also there. Now next one is B. B to B. Next B to D. Next C to C. C to B. There is no relation. C to D. Yes. And D to B. There is no downward. And sorry, D to B as well as D to D. Then next after D, E is there. Here, suppose D2, D relates D completed. Next, E relates to B. No, E relates to D. S. Okay. Then F. F relates to S. F relates to D. S. So now you can compare this one and this one and this one. A to B, A to D is there. A to B and A to D is there. But this is not. This is the B to B as well as B to D. So this is there. And this is not there. This is not. And this is not. And this. So that lower bounds వచ్చేసేంటి? Lower bounds for B and D. B and D ki lower bounds are B. Okay. This is B. Then next A, B, F. A, B, A, B, F. Lower bounds వచ్చేసి A, B, F. Now, lower bounds are A, B, F. So what is the greatest lower bound? Means here B and D ki which is closer from these three elements. Okay. For B and D, which is closer? That is for B and D, which is closer? For B and D, which one is closer? So, appudu greatest lower bound ఏమవుతుందండి? What is the greatest lower bound? Now, this AB for the this and coming to this greatest lower bound. Greatest lower bound for B and D. For B and D, which one is closer? That is AF. AF and B. So, B is the greatest. A is there and F is there. B is closer to D and B is closer to B is closer to B and D is closer to B. So that's why GLB is B. Okay. So this is for the GLB. Okay. This is about upper bounds, lower bounds, and greatest lower bound and least upper bound. So this is what about the components of coset. Okay. నేను కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తాను, సాల్వ్ చేయండి. నాకు నేను ఇమేజెస్ సెండ్ చేస్తాను, సాల్వ్ చేసి పోస్ట్ చేయండి. సో టుమారో విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ లాటిస్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్.